Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the accounts or Google. Basically it's up to you in which section you'd like to go through the whole operation. I prefer the accounts. So let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is of course required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. Right here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear from this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.